Jai Hind students. In our previous video, we have discussed about water, different forms of water, various natural resources of water like river, lake, waterfalls, springs, how important water is for us. In nature, water is found in three forms: solid, ice, liquid water, and gas. Do you know any poem or song on water? Recite it in the class. Now, I'm going to recite another poem for you on water. Water washes over my head, water slips away like sand. Water trickles down a river, water slides just like a slither. Water is patient and knows when to wait. Water doesn't mind if it shows up late. Now open your page number 21. We are going to do another exercise. Water from where? In the poem, you read about rivers, waterfalls, lakes, and springs. We get water from all these places. From where do you get water? Put a circle around these places that are either in your house or around it. Lake, well, tube well, pond, waterfall, hand pump, river, stream, tap, tank, hot water spring. So the answer is, near our houses we see hand pump, tube well, tap, and these are the other sources of water. We can get water from these places: well, tube well, hand pump, tap, and tank. These are the sources of water that are near our house. The next question is, have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? Sita has seen hot water spring near his village. The next question is, do you know the names of any rivers? Write their names. Now I will show you the rivers in the picture. This is the map of India. Now this is the river map of India. The blue lines indicate rivers. The blue lines indicate rivers. This is Kaveri river. This is Krishna river. This is Godavari. This is Mahanadi. This is Tapti. This is Narmada. This is Yamuna. And this is Ganga. From the map, we know that Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Tapti, Narmada, Mahanadi, Yamuna, Ganga, that flows in our country. Now, the longest river in India is the Ganga river. This one. And the longest river in the world is Nile. It is also called the lifeline of Egypt. Next question is, at home, where do you get drinking water from? We get drinking water from the taps at home. Do you have to for to get water? How much time does it take to bring the water? Well is near Sita's house. It takes 10 minutes to bring the water at home. Do your neighbors bring water from the same place? She says even her neighbors bring water from the same place. Next question is, why do we need to store water? We need to store water in case if water supply stops, then what will we do? अगर पानी हम स्टोर नहीं करेंगे तो बाद में हम पानी का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाएंगे. Next question is, who fetches and stores water in your house? In Sita's house, her parents fetches and stores water in her house. Next question is, are there certain people who are not allowed to take water from there? No. All are allowed to take water from there. Now next page. Color the picture of those containers which you use for storing water. Water stores in containers. For example, pot, bucket, can, surahi, etc. In your notebook, draw pictures of any other containers which are used for storing water in your house. Write their names as well. Bucket, cane, surahi, jug, pot, small pot. Take a look at the pictures. If we fill them with water, which will contain the least water? Least is minimum. So the container that is very small will have the least water. The small pot will contain the least water. Now next one is, which will contain the most water? The container that is biggest in size will have the most water. I know that this bucket is very big compared all the other containers. So this bucket will have the most water. How could you tell? I looked at the size of the container and found the container that one will contain the least water and that which will contain the most water. Containers that are bigger in size and can be closed usually used to store water. We cannot store water in open containers. The water is always stored in clean and closed container. We know that liquid takes, now next page, Chutki is confused. Hiren and Chutki were feeling very thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango panna in steel tumblers, but Chutki wanted the drink only in a glass tumbler. Her uncle poured the panna into a glass tumbler, but Chutki was not happy. She complained, "Uncle, you have given me less panna. What do you feel? Did Chutki's glass tumbler have less panna?" We know that liquid takes the shape of the container that it is poured in. Chutki glass tumbler doesn't have less panna. The tumbler is wider and shorter than the steel tumbler, but the quantity of panna is the same in the steel tumbler and glass tumbler. Now, next one is given the grid and some places where water is found. Find 7 of them and put a circle around each. One has already been done. Now look here, waterfall, and this one is lake, L-A-K-E, lake. Rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Pond, P-O-N-D, pond. Tap, T-A-P, tap. Well, W-E-L-L, well. Sea, S-E-A-C, well. W-E-L-L, well. Now, next page. Next question is, in every row, put a circle around one that is different from the others. Also, tell how it is different. First one is river, mountain, lake, pond, and spring. So, we have to find the odd one out. Now, we know that river, lake, pond, and springs are sources of water. We get water from these places. Therefore, the odd one out there is mountain. I'm going to circle the mountains. Second one is bathing washing clothes, swimming, combing hair, kneading dough. We know that we need water for bathing, washing clothes, swimming, and kneading dough. But we do not need water for combing hair. Therefore, the odd one out is combing hair. I am going to circle the combing hair. Third one, fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise. We know that fish, duck, tortoise and crocodile lives in water, but the monkey lives on land. Therefore, the odd one out is monkey. I'm going to circle the monkey. The last one is car, boat, bus, train, bicycle. We know that car, train, bus, bicycle travel on land, but boat travel only on water. The odd one out is boat. I am going to circle the boat. With this, we came to end of this chapter. In this chapter, we learned various sources of water and also various containers in which we can store water. Thank you.